Yes, boys, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Friday, the 10th of July, 2026. To one trade, one break even. Shut up. Yeah, today was a bad day, to be honest. I got lucky. I got very lucky. Yeah, bad day, to be honest, today, boys. We didn't lose any money, so I'm grateful, to be honest. But I was pretty disciplined because after I took this break even, I got off the charts. So, yeah, let's go through it anyway. Coming in today, I was quite bullish. I mean, today was tricky. I mean, if you ended my Discord, you'd see I was sort of like torn today. I was like neutral, but I was more bullish. Why was I more bullish? First off on NQ, let's look at NQ. Why am I more bullish? Because we've just disrespected this 4-hour fair value gap. We've got these highs, all the slow resistance highs above. I know we're, coming down, but overall I am bullish. And then on the hourly, we are like, displacing through these fair value gaps. So I just wanted to see us like come up maybe to previous day high. But I also did take into account that ES had already swept previous day high, as you can see. So we did have that bearish SMT with previous day high, but I was still pretty bullish. So yeah, I was pretty torn, but I was more bullish, I just preferred it, just looked more bullish to me, and we had better draws above than below. We've got this low resistance, but I was more bullish. And what like sort of made me more bullish was ES. Like, just look, sorry boys, look how clean ES looks. What is ES doing? What's ES done with this 4-5 eye gap? Respected it. What's it doing with these? Disrespecting. And then if we go on the hourly, what has it done here? This ATM candle literally wicked into this 105 eye gap, and we got the most perfect bullish displacement out of it. So this is what made me bullish, and we were clear displacing towards this high on ES and towards these highs above. So that's why I was bullish. So yeah, bullish anyway. Coming into market open, I really wanted this, boys. Wait, what? I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted really bad, boys, and it's so annoying we didn't get the close. Pretty much for market open, I wanted longs. I wanted longs out of this 5-minute fair value gap here. So we got the tap into 5-minute fair value gap at 9:29. So we had this 1-minute inverse. So what I wanted 9:30 to do is for us to just inverse this and then get in a long. And as you can see, we just didn't invert. I was this close to entering it, and I realised I should have because I was confident in it. And we had the SMT. It was just a nice trade. Yes, just look, it was just nice, but we just didn't get that inverse, so I decided to fade it, and yeah, it would have ran to my TP, which would have been these highs. Well, this one off of eye gap. So that's a pain. That is a big pain, but it's just what it is. We didn't get the inverse. I followed my rules, and then there was another trade which I didn't take, and this hurt me. And this actually caused me to take a bad trade because I had FOMO. So basically, I had family come round right at this time. So I went downstairs. So I missed this trade, and I really wanted this trade, by the way. I went downstairs when this 5-minute was opening up. I tried rush, say hi to everyone, and come back up, but I missed it when I got back up. So yeah, what I wanted was us to respect this 5-minute, and which we did. But what we also did is sweep this 5-minute intermediate low. What did we get off this low? Let me just delete these. We got this 3-minute fair value gap. This would have been my trade, boys. Like, if I'm so annoyed. If I didn't miss this trade, if I didn't have to go downstairs, bro, I would have took this, and we would have smacked TP. But it is what it is. This is literally what I would have took. I mean, I've even got it marked out, break even there. And yeah, it smacked TP. I really wanted this trade. and because I missed it, I had FOMO, and I was really, I was annoyed, I'll be honest. So yeah, I did have FOMO now, after that. But I was still confident, and we got this 5-minute fair value gap. And then I ended up FOMOing into an entry right here. And as you're probably thinking, we didn't even inverse. You're right, we didn't. This was the highest time from the 1 minute. We had these 2 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute inverses. We didn't even get the inverse, and I FOMO'd into it. Overall, if we got the inverse, it's not bad. But my plan for this trade was to go break even once ES took these 5-minute equalize, and I should have gone break even like pretty much instantly. So I got in here. We literally swept these 5-minute equalize. I should have went break even, but I didn't, and we literally chopped around a bit, and thankfully I got out here, and as you can see, ran to my stop loss. I literally got out of here. I'm so grateful I did, because yeah, it was a really bad trade. You know, we didn't get the inverse. Just stupid, really stupid for me, but I'll learn from it, and I'm happy we didn't take an L. As you can see, so yeah, my plan was and to go break even once ES took these. Where will we? Yeah, go break even once ES took these 5-minute equalize, and as you can see, we took them, but I didn't end up going break even. We didn't get the inverse. A lot of mistakes on this trade. I have journaled it. That's why it's taken me so long to do this video, because I've been journaling hell out of this trade to make sure I don't do it again. But yeah, I'm grateful I didn't take a loss. But that is the trade recap, boys, and it is the end of the week. Decent week, break even week. I took like 4 break evens this week. I think two of them break evens should have been a win. This is what it says. This was my worst trade I've took in ages. The rest of the trades I took this week, they were pretty good. And yeah, break even week should have been a winning week, because if you go look at my trade recap from the other day, I think it uploaded it, I can't remember, but I took there was a break even trade which should have been a win. I shouldn't have gone break even, and I think there was 2 break evens this week which should have been a win. But it's just the way it is. We're still green. We're still looking good. We're still improving, and it was the first mishap I've had in a while. So got to learn from this. And yeah, anyway, I'm waffling. Join the motherfucking Discord. First link in the bio. Follow the socials: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, blah, blah, blah. And if you want to cop any Alpha Futures accounts, you best get them now. 35% off right now, code SMG. I don't think they're going to do it for much longer, boys, so get your accounts in and make sure you use code SMG. And yeah, I'll catch you next week, unless I do a vid. I might do a vid this weekend, little cheeky back testing or something. But yeah, in a motherfucking bit, boys.